Hi friends, welcome to IAS with Santosh. First of all, I would like to thank every one of you who gave a massive response to my previous video which I uploaded last night. If you have not watched that video, please do watch it. Guys, in return, today in this video, I am going to give you 2 marks in the upcoming prelims examination. Guys, the questions which I am going to discuss today in this video has a very high chance to come in the UPSC prelims examination because in the last 6 years, UPSC has been asking the same theme at least twice, and this year it is going to be get repeated, so please do prepare it. So guys, let us see this. That's why it is very important for us to analyze the PYQs. Guys, let us see this question. Guys, this is 2019 question, this is 2021 question, and this is going to get repeated in 2025 prelims examination. Guys, let us see this question. In India, the use of carbofuran, methyl parathion, phorate and trisophos is viewed with apprehension. These chemicals are used as, you can see the options. Pesticides in agriculture, preservatives in processed food, food ripening agents, and moisturizing agents in cosmetics. Now let us see this question. Triclosan, considered harmful when exposed to high levels for long time, is most likely present in which of the following? Guys, the answer to this question is pesticides in agriculture, and answer to this question was toiletries, option D. But that is not what I am going to discuss today. I am going to discuss something more important. Guys, if you read the 4 options, you will see here that preservatives in processed food, and here you can see food preservatives, and again you can see fruit ripening agents, and again you can see fruit ripening substance. This means what? UPSC is giving a lot of importance to these 2 options, although they are not asking questions related to this, but you can see every time UPSC is repeating this. Okay, preservatives. So this here, guys, there is one preservative which is in news, and there is also a very important chemical which is in news because of its health impact. Guys, let us see that. So if you see, guys, Karnataka and some other states, they have banned an harmful coloring agent which is basically rhodamine B. Okay, you can see this chemical rhodamine B. It is an artificial dye. Or synthetic dye coloring agent, and it is used in cotton candy. Okay, so rhodamine B, they can ask you rhodamine B, what is rhodamine B? And guys, you know that in America also they have passed one order. And that is chemical is called red 3. Okay, so this is also a synthetic dye. It is also used for coloring food. Okay, food coloring. So that is why, guys, I thought that UPSC can ask you a question on this, because the kind of options UPSC is framing, you can see multiple times they are framing options on food preservatives and fruit ripening substance. Multiple times they have framed, and this year this chemical rhodamine B is in news. Because it has got banned. And guys, there are other chemicals also which are used as a coloring agent in the foods which are harmful for us. You can see the names have been given: sunset yellow, tetrazine, rhodamine B, you can see tartrazine. Okay, so this is also not good for health. You can see tartrazine, sunset yellow, and carmosine. So these are some of the chemicals. They can give you the names, and they can frame similar questions. Guys, you can see here they can frame similar questions like this. They have given 3 pesticides. They can give you these 3 chemicals. These 3 chemicals. Which are these 3 chemicals? Rhodamine, sunset yellow, tartrazine, and you can see the carmosine. Okay, they can give you this and they can ask you. Okay, one more topic which is in news for the last 2 years is, you can see here, government has ordered ethylene oxide testing in the spices export. Guys, you know that there were some concerns that spices which are getting exported from India, okay, may contain ethylene oxide. So government basically ordered a testing for ethylene oxide. So UPSC can ask you questions regarding ethylene oxide also. So what is ethylene oxide? Ethylene oxide is a carcinogenic chemical which is used as pesticides for killing pests. Okay, and this is not good for our health, but sometimes it is used in the spices, okay, packaging of spices. Okay, you can see here they are also testing the food for aflatoxins. Aflatoxins, already UPSC has asked in the PYQ what is aflatoxin. Okay, this is also very important. And guys, you can see disudan 1,4. So this is also very important, guys. So these are some of the chemicals which are in use in the 2025 prelims examination. Definitely I am telling you guys, one question you can expect from this, guys. I was analyzing the PYQs throughout night and I was linking to the current affairs. I came across these two topics. So guys, you can see here I have prepared two Optima cards. You can see here Optima cards, rhodamine B. Okay, this is the science Optima card, and you can see ethylene oxide. You can see the science Optima card. Okay, so like this, guys, I have prepared important flashcards for your last minute revision. You can get these important flashcards, guys. This is my Telegram ID. And also, guys, one thing I would like to tell you is that I am framing questions on all these important topics in my predicted questions. Guys, still 12 days are remaining, and if you practice these important questions, definitely 5-10 marks, it will boost your score. Guys, remember this, in the last 10 days, you can't read everything. Better is to focus on these important themes which I have predicted using the PYQ analysis. Also, guys, there is one more chemical which is in news. Okay, although UPSC has been asking questions on pesticides, there is one insecticide. Which is called Chlorpyrifos. Okay, Chlorpyrifos. Okay, this is very important, guys. Okay, this is very important. So recently it was in news in the context of Stockholm Convention. Okay, Stockholm Convention. I hope you know what is Stockholm Convention. In the comment box, let me know. So this chemical is also, it is basically an insecticide. You can see here that India has been opposing inclusion of this in the Stockholm Convention. But recently what has happened, you can see this is not the first time that India has opposed the inclusion of Chlorpyrifos, okay, as the Stockholm Convention. So this chemical is also very important. You may expect a question on this chemical also. This was in news recently, only in the month of April. So the question can be framed on this. This is very important, and Stockholm Convention in environment you must have studied. So that is also very important. So guys, you can see how we are linking the PYQs, to the current affairs and predicting topics for the UPSC Prelims examination. Guys, in the next 10 days, I will be there helping you. The thing is that you have to start using these important topics and start revising these flashcards. These are really very useful, and this can help you boost your score in the UPSC Prelims examination. Again, guys, I would like to appeal every one of you, if you think these topics and whatever I am guiding you through this YouTube channel, it is helping in your preparation, do consider liking this and sharing this with all your friends who are preparing for 2025 prelims examination. In the next 10 days, guys, I will come out with lot of predictions, lot of tricks which can help you boost your score in the last 10 days. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Take care.